Hi, my name is Sumit Kumar Pradhan. Welcome to the channel. We will share an honest review of MailZone. Let's get started. Brand new way for affiliate marketers to save $10,000 plus on email marketing. Send unlimited emails to unlimited contacts at a super low one-time price. With free inbuilt SMTP and free 100 plus DFY money making email swipes. Finally, you can stop spending thousands of dollars on unreliable autoresponders by switching to this affiliate-friendly autoresponder platform. Some feature of MailZone: unlimited. Send unlimited emails. Create unlimited campaigns. Add unlimited subscribers to your list. The sky is your only limit. No restriction. Upload your contacts and send emails instantly, no verification or double opt-in is required. World-class inbox delivery rates. Send your emails with peace of mind using our next-gen email marketing system. Made for affiliate marketers. Other email platforms work against you, limiting the number of emails you can send. We do the opposite. Aggressive emailing and making money with emails are encouraged at MailZone. Drag and drop email editor. Create professionally designed emails that attract more clicks and conversions without ever dealing with complicated tech stuff. 100 plus email templates. Don't start from scratch. Use the templates to create dozens of ready-to-convert emails in a few minutes. Fee email swipes. You don't even need to write your email from scratch. We provide hundreds of tried and tested email swipes. And so much more. Email is hands down the most profitable marketing channel. While social media has started to lose its magic, thanks to Apple's privacy changes, email marketing is still standing strong as the most valuable, profit-exploding marketing channel on planet Earth. Unlike social media, you own and control your audience. And you can send out promotions and follow up with your potential customers with one click. MailZone takes this already wildly profitable marketing channel to the next level by giving you unrestricted email marketing services. You can send out unlimited emails to unlimited contacts without ever spending a dime more on the services. Yes, you really get unlimited lifetime access to world-class email marketing platforms that give those unreliable traditional email marketing platforms a run for their money. The best part? Your one-time investment on MailZone costs less than a dinner for two in your favorite. From writing, designing, to delivering your emails, it's 100% hassle-free. Whether you're emailing to a list of 10 to 10,000 people, MailZone can reduce the time it takes to set up your email campaign to mere seconds. We bring back email marketing to its former glory, with a brand new platform created for affiliate marketers like you in mind. We want you to stop wishing and praying your emails will get delivered and not get marked as spam. We want to let you cut loose and go more aggressive, selling with emails to thousands more people, for far more often than you normally do. Isn't that something you've always wished you can do? Well, now you can. Have you had enough paying a premium price for unreliable email marketing services? They charge you every month, even if you didn't send emails for months. You must pay for the services you never use. And they keep charging you every time they add shiny new features that you don't even bother trying to use. Not to mention that they love limiting your opportunities as entrepreneurs. Before this system, the perfect email marketing platforms never existed. That's until today. Unlimited emails. Unlimited subscribers. Free inbuilt SMTP server. Simple, yet robust platform, you can have it all at super low one-time investment. 100 or 10,000 plus subscribers, you'll never have to pay more. Send unlimited emails in one click. Simple, yet powerful email marketing platform. Free world-class SMTP server. Enjoy awesome inbox delivery rates. Grab 100 plus DFY money generating email swipes. Even if you're the world's biggest skeptic, you can't argue with facts. Facts that you need email marketing to generate more sales and profits. So when a solution like MailZone comes your way, no doubt your inner skeptic is screaming, "No way. That can't be true. You simply can't find a fantastic deal like this anywhere else, certainly, not from the major email marketing platforms. You get a world-class SMTP server for free, you can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers at once, and you get to use a simple and powerful platform. You can't get all of this anywhere else. Besides, we offer all these amazing features for the price of your morning coffee, with no monthly fees. What a steal! But don't worry, because we have a mountain of proof to back it all up. Some of the proof you've seen above. And below, you'll find more. MailZone made for affiliate marketers. But it works great for anyone. Ready to take your business to the next level? Get started now. You'll get everything you need to succeed. Get lifetime access all these features for a measly one-time investment. Try MailZone for 30 days with zero risk. It's not a guarantee. It's a personal promise from us. We promise you that you'll get what we've been promised on this page. So get access to MailZone for a special, low one-time investment today. Then try it for 30 days. And use all the features. If for some reason, you feel like it wasn't as you expected it to be, just let me know and we'll send you a courteous refund with no question asked.
Okay, great. As you have got all information about it, you can now go ahead and order it using my link. Why use my link to order this product? As if you order this product using my link, I will provide you a bonus of more than $2,500 completely free. So it's a win-win situation for both of us. You don't have to lose anything, but you get an extra $2,500 valued bonuses, and I don't lose as well. Check out the description for the link to order. Bonus can be claimed directly from Warrior Plus, JV Zoo. Thank you for watching our video. Catch you in the next video. Bye bye.